Linking your bank account to iCloud can help you manage your finances more effectively through various Apple services. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings. Step 2. Go to Payment and Shipping. In your Apple ID settings, find and select the Payment and Shipping option. You may need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID/Touch ID for security. Step 3. Add Payment Method. Tap on Add Payment Method. Here, you can choose to add a bank account. Select the option for bank account and enter the required details such as your account number and routing number. Step 4. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank details, you may need to verify your account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Apple into your bank account. Check your bank statement for these amounts. Step 5. Save changes. Once your bank account is verified, make sure to save your changes. Your bank account will now be linked to your iCloud account, allowing for seamless transactions and payments. Now you are all set. You can enjoy the benefits of having your bank account linked to your iCloud for easier management of your finances.